Hello everyone, welcome to Coins and Stamps to Watch. So I have another unboxing to do. I bought a few collectibles recently, and this is one of them. Uh, well, these are coins, as far as I, I know. Just bought a few of those coin collectibles that that I like. So let's see what this one is. So yep. Oh, okay. Here we go. Okay. I bought it on Trade Me. It's the sites that we have in New Zealand in buying collectibles. Well, basically everything. You can buy cars. You can buy uh, houses or lands or anything basically. Tools, and this is uh, this is what I had collected uh, just recently. All these are I've won from biddings, but except for this one. This one I bought I think $3. Well, we'll go with this one then. Okay. So this is $1 coin from United States of America. I think this is what they call Sachakagewa dollar. I think, which I think years ago they also have these coins on Cheerios. But this is a different type of coin because see it have a different reverse side. You see, United States of America. It's the Wampanoag Treaty of 1621. It's a commemorative coin, I think, and its value is $1. You can see the Sachakagewa. I'm not that good in pronouncing. Yeah, but Sachakagewa. It's an Indian name, I think. So it's a nice one. It's uncirculated. See. Oh, it have an inscription on the edge. I didn't know that one. Anyway, we're all here to learn these coins. So I am just a collector. I'm not an expert. And as you can see, sometimes I don't know. I have to say, if you know this coin, just give me a message or put in the comments. See, I see 2011 P 2011 P as in Philadelphia, and I see stars. Oh, okay. E pluribus unum. Out of many one, the motto of the United States. Uh, we can see that in all the coins. So nice one. Sasha Kagewa. I think this is just a spontaneous coin unboxing. So yeah, I don't prepare for mostly the things that I put on videos. I don't prepare much. I just show it to you as I open the thing, and it's very limited as well for the infos that they gave on those auctions. I just see the picture. I think it's nice. So do a little research maybe on how many were minted, and that's it. Buy it if I can, and if I can't, I just let it be. This is an Indian head penny from 1890. I forgot how many were minted, but it looks a nice one. And of course, 1890. So it's an old one. That means it's like 134 years old already. So it's a nice it's a nice coin. And regarding of the age, is 134 years old. Very old one. And this one is another old one. I think it's what do you call that? It's reflecting the. Okay, I'll just remove it from the. Anyway, I'll put this one in those plastic coin inserts. This one is an old one from France. See, 5 centimes or 5 centimes, and it is from 1796. 1796. The mint mark is BB. I don't know. They have lots of mints in France. One of it maybe, I'm not sure where the mint mark BB is. Maybe in Paris? No, wouldn't be. I don't know. If you know, please do comment and tell us. So as we can see, this one is an old one. It's not that detailed, but you can see the lettering still readable. The portrait on the middle is a bit worn, and it have the edge have inscription, or no, not inscription. It's like a, you see, like lots of it have a design the edge like an arrow. Nice. And of course you can see 5 centimes, 5 centimes, maybe 1796. Very old one, very old coins. So nice ones, eh? So please do like and subscribe my channel. Click on the notification setting. See my playlist for more videos of coins and stamps. Thank you. I hope you all have a very good day.